I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
But we are in the time of prophecy. If you pay attention to the Hopi Indians, if you pay attention to the Tibetans, if you pay attention to the Lakota elders, if you pay attention to any of the indigenous people all around the world, they talk about a time that's happening right now where humanity is going to, the Mayan calendar, for instance, the 2012, the end of the world. You know, we've all heard of that. And it wasn't the end of the world. It was the beginning of a new one, really. We are in a time of collective enlightenment. And the internet is a manifestation of that. It's like the stepping stone to this process. And Bitcoin I see as the next tool that takes us there. And it's the best tool we have to upend the current paradigm, which has been suppressing humanity, keeping us in a conflict-ridden state of being with warfare, a scarcity of resources, all these ideas like energy, like we don't have enough energy. And we're seeing this play out with the FUD too. There's so many people that are like, oh, we can't use energy to mine Bitcoin. It's like, no, energy is not the problem. Like we're going to learn how to harvest and utilize energy and Bitcoin is going to allow us to amplify that and exponentially become better at gathering energy.